Hello guys and welcome to the first video on this channel. Today we are going to be unboxing some model airplanes and let's start right in. Here we have the first. It's a Boeing 757-200 from La Compagnie. The scale of the planes that I am going to show you today is 1 to 500. Here on the back you can see that's a limited edition. Let's open it. Sometimes these boxes are a little hard to open. Here we have the plane. It has a light blue body and a dark blue tail and dark blue engines. It's not recommended to play with it because these little wheels can break easily. Okay, let's move on to the next. Here we have a Etihad Boeing 787 Dreamliner. This is one of my favorite airplanes. It's also scale 1 to 500. Here is a photo of this airplane in real life. Let's open it. Here it is. This is a very beautiful airplane. Okay, let's move on to the next. Here we have Air France Boeing 777. It's also scale 1 to 500. Here we have it. Okay, let's move on to the next. Here we have a Azul Brazilian Airlines Airbus A330-200. It's also scale 1 to 500. Here you can also see the plane. Let's open it. Here the plane has the flag of Brazil. Okay, now here is the last airplane from this video. It's a British Airways Airbus A350-1000. It's scale 1 to 500. And here on the back you can see it without its painting. I'm now going to open it. Here you often have a little foil to protect the airplane from dust. This is also one of my favorite airplanes because it's so clean. Okay, which of these airplanes is your favorite? Let me know it in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment if you enjoyed the video. Bye!